go that side. This way, this way.
So we have left for Ninbin. Our guide just told us that it will take 2.5 hours to reach. We thought it would be a 1.5 or 2 hour journey. It's what's the time? So we started at 7:30 a.m. We'll also have a break in between to have drinks or food. It's 8:15 now. Yeah. So yeah, and the guide also told us that the ride is going to be a bumpy one because the highways to Halong Bay are much better.
Yeah.
But we are going to Ninbin and dig gaya bump. But it's going to be fun.
Yeah.
And the guide also told us that there are a lot of groups, but only 2 groups are heading towards Mua Cave at the end, and we are one of them.
Yeah.
So we'll be doing the hike to the dancing cave of Vietnam, and let's see how it goes.
Okay, so now we have taken a stop over here to grab some coffee before we head towards Changan. भैया जी क्या बोले कुछ समझ नहीं आए पर जा रहे हैं और बीच में रेस्टोरेंट बोला खाना दे रहा है.
Hair is tied up because we're all set.
Yeah, so
We almost entered.
we are with another tour. We're with a tour and हमें लगा कि हमारी ग्रुप आगे जा चुकी है तो हम आगे भागते हुए गए और यहाँ
There was
पे
another group with us. उन्होंने बोला हाँ yeah you have to have tickets for that.
एंड हम एक्चुअली टिकट के बिना भी घुस गए थे क्योंकि हमने वहाँ पे जो भी काउंटर पे लड़की थी उसको बोला कि हाँ हमारी टूर तो आगे है हम उनके साथ जा रहे हैं. सो या से हाय.
Hello.
Before going inside the temple, he has asked to wear, full clothes. Niche. We almost knew about the culture, and hence we are wearing skirts down below. Okay.
थैंक्स फॉर
Okay.
बीइंग इंडियन सो वी नो कि टेम्पल्स में वी हैव टू बी कवर्ड.
Yeah. But we were expecting कि ऊपर भी jackets पहननी पड़ेंगी.
Yeah.
I guess उसकी ज़रूरत है नहीं.
लकीली उसकी नहीं है.
Now we are heading back to our bus. वहाँ से हम जाएंगे ट्रांगान. वहाँ से हम जाएंगे ट्रांगान और उससे पहले we have to buy incense hats because we want good pictures there.
या ओ I don't think so I agreed to this. Okay, I've been forced into it.
We are all set for the bicycle ride and Tavishi has tied her skirt into a dhoti.
Yeah, I'm wearing cycling shorts.
Let's go! I'm very hungry. Let's have something.
Yeah.
So we have stopped by for dinner before our Trangan boat ride. And they said they have vegetarian food options here. For veg we have rice and tofu, not tasting very nice. And then we have French fries again. And then salad. So fruits, vegetables.
And then हमारा जो मुरमुरा ममरा उसका जो लड्डू बनते हैं उसका बेसिकली हमने एक राइस पैनकेक बनाया है. सो
Which Tavishi is dipping
in tofu sauce. Am I happy? Not. Is it? हाँ. Am I happy with the food over here? No. Is it filling my stomach? Is it? It's not really filling the stomach also, but ठीक है, कुछ तो चाहिए energy. So
Really nice thing is spring rolls, veg spring rolls are nice. और अब मैं इसमें कैबेज में फ्रेंच फ्राइज डाल के कुछ इंडियन रोल बनाने वाली हूँ विद सॉसेस एंड आई एम गोना हैव दैट. So we are going for Trangan boat ride. It's written as Trangan, but I guess everyone is saying, the locals are saying Changan. So we are going for that. I guess it will be a 30 to 40 minutes ride, but the exact time we'll let you know. And we'll also be dropping by at an island, they said. Looks pretty cool.
भाई मेरे को तैरना ही आता भाई, मैं गिर गई तो चल लाइफ जैकेट तो है, लाइफ जैकेट इसलिए तो है भाई. पानी कितना डीप है पता नहीं. मतलब yeah, we are gonna go under the caves now and that's gonna be crazy. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Wash your heads over here, or else I'm just admiring this moment a lot. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. Like, that's how close it is.
This is our last destination. It's 4:20 p.m. Our guide told us that they'll be waiting for us at 5:20 p.m. So we have almost an hour, like full hour, to go up, see the viewpoint. And they also told that halfway through the stairs there are two paths. One is towards the right, another is towards the left. Left is some dragon part, so you should go there because it's better. It has good views. But at the same time, it's a little risky because it has a lot of rocks. Yeah. So obviously we are going towards the left side. Let's see. This is the view when we have climbed 20 stairs.
Guys, it's not for the weak. I'm telling you, it's not. And plus, अगर आपको ये आना है यहाँ पे, it's best that you do this first thing.
And then go for other experiences. Here at the top,
Yeah.
so we thought we'll head back because there are a lot of people here, and
More
the
than that,
hike is pretty. I wouldn't say tough because a lot of people who do hiking very often
yeah,
are like, this is very easy.
yeah.
But for us, it was a bit difficult, especially that
A bit.
part
It
that
was
we covered.
very, very difficult.
I don't know, like if you can see, there's a sort of khai there.
Yeah.
I don't even know how we climbed up here.
And the rocks are very, very rocky, so
That's
it's crazy.
more slippery,
Slippery,
very
yeah.
slippery.
It's crazy. Like, I mean,
But wait, this is the view. Like, and the other side, we have this. It's so pretty. And also we have a
this is the
dragon
dragon.
sculpture here. This is the tail on which we are standing.
Yep.
I didn't think it would be this nice. I'm basically not a hiking person. This is nice.
This is crazy.
I just feel like I did something out
Yeah.
of my comfort zone, and it feels very nice.
I'm happy.
Look at the
So Halong Bay starts from there. Okay, okay.
And this is Lana Bay.
बहुत अच्छी आ रही है, माइक उतार दो. Zip नहीं है इसमें.
I guess I'm gonna jump.
I don't have a